Ransomware is a type of malware that holds your system and/or data hostage. Over the years, different types of ransomware have evolved. However, all of them will have the same outcome. The malicious actor will hold your data hostage until you pay the ransom. Ransomware spreads like many other types of malware. A common way is by using a phishing or spear phishing attack. Other methods include enticing someone to click on a link on a web page or social media account that will take the victim to an attacker's website to download a file. Ransomware has become popular because it's so profitable. Ransomware is affecting every industry, holding data hostage until a hefty ransom is paid. If the ransom is not paid, the consequences could be grave, as the ransomware could block you from accessing your system, encrypt files so that you can't use them, or stop applications such as your browser or database from running. In some cases, the attacker can unleash malware that can destroy all of the files on the system. Let's step through the process of how encrypting ransomware works. With Phase 1, the attacker sends a phishing email that appears legitimate. The email slips through the spam filters and enters the user's inbox. The user then opens the email and clicks, releasing the ransomware variant. With Phase 2, the ransomware encrypts the files and attempts to spread through the system, deleting any backup copies on the victim's machine, along with generating files to help conceal its existence. The ransomware then begins communicating with the command and control server and awaits further instructions. The command and control server then sends a message, alerting the victim of the encryption and displaying a full message demanding payment. Many times it includes a timer with a deadline to pay the ransom, or else the hackers will destroy the decryption key. Now, if the victim arranges to pay the malicious actor, there is no guarantee that the files will be released. In addition, the attacker may have made copies of all of the files, further complicating the attack. Now, some companies offer decryption services. This may be an option, but it's also expensive. Ransomware attacks have increased over the years. However, accurate figures are not available as many people do not report that they have been a victim. Ransomware is a serious problem that can affect all segments of public industry, government, healthcare providers, large corporations, and private individuals. Here we see at this website, the losses to ransomware are significant, and they've also increased over time. If I scroll down, there's a map, and I'll take you to that map, and what I first did was filter by 2018. And then I filtered by 2022, and you can see more attacks. So don't become a victim. Protect yourself against ransomware by using the following good practice techniques. Think before you click a link. Use strong spam filters, and use anti-malware protection that updates automatically. And if you're a business, back up and store sensitive files in a remote storage facility. Now let's test your knowledge. Ransomware is a type of malware that holds your computer hostage until you offer some type of payment or ransom. Discuss ways someone can fall victim to a ransomware attack and how to avoid this type of threat. You can record your answer on the challenge worksheet.